Engineer wa district ya Rwanda John Habimana naje nanwo gukora imirimo ye byingirire kandi no butarambura imirimo ya district. Ebi bigambirwa Minisita Musasizi abinarambura imirimo ya government mu district ya Rwanda aharumwe amashemero amarwariro enguto kandi kimutangize munonga no kushangwa imirimo myingi aho yasigire imyaka 3 hwire etahindukiro.
See one akosigning mu kitabo cye. Does he know you? Does the chairman everyone know you? Okumushaza chairman waramugeno.
Icyo twa tutukozire titwireshonga nemwe icyo kubasiba turabagira ngo twenda kubata mu bihombe byo tuturesera tujire kulitana nemwe district ya kutamaze gukorera handi wale bano tarabasa nambwe noronka engineer onda tega ngo hano hamutamire niyo mutima gwanje kurangira ngo gumushije dene sanu hamutamire ako byarakora no.
Minisita Musasizi nagira ngo irwaro rya Shebe ya Here Center ya kabiri esente ziri kwengana miliyoni 150 zikasindwa konko mirimo gwakozurwe tugushikize na miliyoni 20.
Ngwe sente zikako. No money to finish this. Ulire, eh? There is no money to finish this work. Can you imagine? But we budgeted.
Abazigani ko bagambira.
Yes, chairman.
Kutaka kigambaga.
Nabura turi monitoring chairman katwa kigambire.
Musasizi yaragira engineer okumaririza imirimo yona atakahwire kwezi kumwe.
Now 1 month when I come back after 1 month and the work is not done.
Ngo 1 month yenshi isete zikaze bino kurukora mwena zibahire kufuira ngano bazire. Uruguto rino kwa manya kurusi. This work has changed. Ba technical team abarya titwine turafanemwe kugira ngo mu implementing council resolutions, council decisions. Mwagora adjustment etari approved, that itself is an error already muri murongo.
Za drainage nichikuru mnonga abo kuba drainage zasitakozigwe twatire mu hamizgarara bibira enjura yamara kugwa enkutuneza kushora zishishikari.
Abebembezi aba baraganisa kurwanisa burubwenguzi kandi barebe kubayongera bihereza n'entunguko mu bantu ba Rwanda hamwe n'ihanga. Gasha kwa Nelson Ahimsiwe.